Hey guys, this is more of a test run, first video, just to get used to the new camera here. Today I'm going to be doing a install of the, hold on a second, Jeep Freedom top roof locks. They came in from Agency6 here. They're in a billet aluminum Jeep top. I went for the green. Put them up here for you guys. These are how they come packaged. Really high quality. Love how they feel in the hand already. They look great. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed on the Jeep today, and be right back with that. Alright guys, I'm back outside, set up here, and sorry for the kind of crappy lighting here. It's pretty chilly out here in Connecticut, nice and cold, a little snowy. But here is the difference between the stock ones and the new Agency6 ones. So I'm going to be quickly pulling these ones off. We'll throw those ones in and see how it goes. The directions do state that the best way to do it is to have it in the open position. So obviously you have it closed there, so we're open here. So let me go ahead and get this bolt out and get that one on, and I'll be back in a second. It's twice I've done that now. Alright, let's see here. That's for that one. This one is this one. Okay. The other cool thing that Agency6 provides is this bag of washers here. So in case I put this one on already. As you can see, it's loose here, fully turned. They give these washers here so that kind of eliminates that vibration. So I got to take this one back off and put that back on. We'll get this other one on here. And what they recommend is that you put this in first, on top I'm saying, versus putting it against the hardtop itself. Yeah, so that is much more secure. I actually went too tight on that. Hold on a second. Alright, it's probably going to be a little trial and error once I get it back on the top of the Jeep here, but that's much more secure than that one. So let's move on to this next one here. That's set up. Let's see, is this a better angle here? That looks pretty good there, actually. So, this one, get that in. And all I'm using is the T40 Torx head that comes in the Jeep kit. I actually have a few of these Jeep kits in the Jeep, I've already broken one of these ratchets, so a little cheap, but you know, nice to have all the tools with you. Now, let me redo this one over here because I need to put that washer back in. And all of these tops here, I'm sorry, the locks themselves, you can get a bunch of different colors. They have red, orange, gray, blue, black, all really high quality billet aluminum here. And I think they're out of Northern California there, so American made, which is perfect. I much prefer American made over everything else, unfortunately. The quality in some of those other products just don't seem to cut it as well. Alright, and that's those three in. So I'm going to throw this one back on the top, grab the other section, be right back. Alright, and I have the other top off, so let's go ahead and get this side installed too. There we go. They also recommend in the instructions not to over tighten these. You can risk breaking your hardtop, and these hardtops are definitely not cheap. Alright, so that's that one. Last one here. Alright, that's simple enough. I'll put this one back on, and we'll see you guys inside the Jeep. Alright guys, we got the top back on here, as you can see. The one thing I am noticing though is these do take a little bit to adjust. As you can see, that's not quite going on easily. So So let's go ahead and adjust that. That's better. They go on nicely now. Let's move on to this next one here. And that one's actually pretty good. Give it a little tighten. Alright. Let's see if I can get these back here. So there we go, there's a good shot of them. Alright, I'm sure these will take a little to kind of get used to, just with how tight these are compared to the stock ones. I'm sure there's a little adjustment I still need to do, but go ahead and finish out the rest of these here. That was going the right way. Okay, this one behind me here. As you can see, good angle in there. It does not want to fully engage there. There we go. Definitely want it to be secure, so I'm not gonna, if I have a little trouble tightening it, or making sure it's snug, I think that's not a problem here. Let me hop over to the other side, look at the last two there. Alright. Got that one. Let's see about this one here. As you can see, same thing. It's pretty tight trying to get that in there. That's seated. A little bit. All right. So that was a pretty easy install. Here, okay. Overall, I think these are a great product so far. They seem to be super high quality here. Just the fit and, let me see, switch over. Fit and finish is definitely high quality. Everything, you know, is quite good here. Plus it gives it a good look. The always looking for something, especially when it comes in the color of the Jeep. You can't beat that at all either. So I'll be doing a walk around here shortly of the whole Jeep, everything I've done to it so far, what's coming. Yeah, so thank you, and have a good day.